It was a great day with Tyler Lester of Soil and Crop Improvement in Prince Edward County, where we used a T40 drone for a clover to soybean experiment. Thanks to Tyler for preparing the 15 kilowatts diesel unit, we can charge the battery quickly. Luckily, we had the opportunity to do a short interview with Tyler Lester and Lucas McFall from County Farm Center. Let's take a look at their cutting-edge views on drone applications.
My name is Tyler Lester, and we're on my farm in Bloomfield, Ontario, in Prince Edward County. Jenny was kind enough to bring the T40 drone down to my farm to spread some red clover cover crop seed, and I'm very impressed with how it works.
Before sowing the seeds, we directly used the T40 to fly to a height of 30 meters for map construction. A real-time map will be generated on the remote control. You can clearly see the boundaries and trees of the farmland, and then we plan the required after entering the operating area and inputting the parameters to be sown. The T40 will perform RTK operation autonomously according to the route. The most critical drone application is to spread evenly without compacting the land.
Yeah, it was really impressive to see the drone fly, and I think there's a lot of potential for specialty crops and hard to reach areas that need applications.
Another advantage of drone sowing is that it does not touch crops, which protects the yield of crops. Even if it protects 3% of the yield, this is a profit margin that cannot be ignored. Growers can seed evenly at the right window while also protecting the soil. T40 will automatically return to your designated takeoff point after the work is completed. Thanks for watching.